Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, we're gonna go into my makeup collection. We're gonna see items that I completely forgot about, and we're gonna create this look here that you're seeing. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Just press that subscribe button. It's literally right in front of you. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. So we are gonna go through our foundation primer drawer first. I haven't used this one in a while. This Catrice Fresh It Up primer. I don't think Catrice sells this one anymore, but I'm gonna use this one because I'm trying to use it up. For foundation, what are we gonna use for foundation? Okay, let's try a new foundation. Okay, so let's use this one for foundation. I haven't tried this one yet. This is the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence. For concealer, let's see here. Oh, I feel like I haven't used this one in a while. So we're gonna be using this one for concealer. This one is the Physicians Formula, the Butter Glow Concealer. I think I've only used this once, so we're gonna use that. So for powder, I think I wanna use the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I haven't used this one in a very, very long time, and I wanna start using this one more often. For a bronzer, I'm gonna use this one here from Nude Sticks. This is their Nudies Matte Bronzer. Let's use the Milk Jelly Tint Blush. I really, really love this one. It's in the shade Chill. I think I wanna use this Tarte Blush Book. They don't sell this anymore, by the way. I do want to kind of use that one, the heated color. For powdered bronzer, I kind of want to like use this one I haven't used in a long time. This Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. So let's go ahead and use this one. Okay, so for brows, I'm going to use the same old brow product. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. It is my absolute favorite brow product, so I'm going to use that one. That's literally the one that I use all the time. Let me use this one for liner. I kind of want to try this mascara here. I don't know which brand this is. For wing liner, let's go ahead and use the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Waterproof Liner. We're going to use this one to create a wing. I think I want to use this Jaclyn Morphe. Ooh, let's use this Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. I haven't used this in so long. So for setting spray, let's use the Milani Make It Last Original. I have been trying to use this one up. It's very refreshing and I really like it. A little water break. So my lip liners. Let's use this one from Jaclyn Hill. I know that they don't sell this brand anymore, but this is the point of this video, is just to go through your stash. And I have not used this one yet. This one's in the shade Juicy. Maybe? No. I'm trying to find the perfect cherry red type of thing. I am overthinking everything. So lip gloss / lipstick, we're gonna go in with this Absolute New York High Pigment Lip Gloss. These are beautiful. The formula is stunning. They are not sticky and they have a really nice pigment to them, and it's just not too much, because I don't want a red lipstick, but I want something with this red tone, if you know what I mean. This is what we're gonna use, and let's get started. We're back. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. I am kind of crazy. Anyways, I'm a little hyped up with this water. I don't know why. We're gonna prime with the Catrice Fresh It Up Aqua Based Primer. This is discontinued, unfortunately. There's plenty of other primers like this. I know that NYX has one just like this. This is the primer. Ooh, it is hydrating. It has a tiny little bit of like tackiness to it, just tiny. Let's go in with the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Watery Essence. This one is a Hydro Fresh tint, and this one is in the color medium. I know these only come in a few shades. This one actually matches my skin pretty well, especially in the summertime. How watery is that? So this has like little bubbles that burst and has the tint. This is looking so flawless and so pretty. And it feels really, really nice and hydrating. So it has these little like particles, little bubbles burst into the actual tint and gave a good amount of coverage. Wow, it's like almost like a foundation. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I really like this. I wanna like show you what it does. See, it's like, it just like melts into foundation. What? So cool. I'm going in with the brush just because I want to like blend that well together. Stunning. That is very pretty. I actually really like that. Really enjoy that. This camera just completely fell forward. I'm still alive though. That's the most important part. My setup here is just, it's Willy Wonka's right now. This is with the skin tint and this is without the skin tint. Just gonna go in, blend that in, and ooh, you see how quickly that covered? Wow. I'm here for this skin tint. I think I'm just gonna use this all summer long. What I like about it too is that it's not too dewy. It's not like greasy, because I can't do the greasy in the summer. I'm sorry, I just can't. And it just gives you the right amount of glow. Feels so hydrating. Love this. Very pretty. I'm here for these bubbles. Look how flawless this looks right now. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm so glad we did this Shop My Stash video. I'm glad. We're gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Concealer. This one is in the shade light to medium. Ooh, this is so smooth. That is smooth and smells just like the Physicians Formula that I know. We're gonna go in with this concealer brush. This one is from Real Techniques. It's like my favorite brush to blend out concealer. That looks so brightening. It has a very, very subtle, soft matte finish. Easy to blend. I mean, you're seeing this right now. Look at how brightening that is and how easy to blend that was. I love a good brightening concealer. It feels just like butter. There's something about Physicians Formula. All their stuff is just so, so nice. I am brightened up the house right now. Oh my God. I'm not mad at this entire look at all. My skin feels like it's skinning times a million right now. That's freaking pretty. I just have to show, I have to show you. Come closer. Look at my skin right now. Tell me this right now, this moment here is not everything. I'm having a skin day. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's that essence. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, moving back. Bye. I don't need to do that close to me. Thank you. I have been setting my under eyes actually with this. This is the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. It just gives you a really, really nice brightening effect. I mean, do I really need more brightening effect right now? I mean, I love to just set my T-zone, all the areas of the concealer. Let's go ahead and just do these brows real quick. Just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, my all-time favorite brow products. Why did I sound like a spokesperson? This is stunning, guys. This is giving, whoa, 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 whoa. Done. Different person, right? I mean, yeah, that looks so good. We're gonna go in with this Bondi Bay bronzer from Nude Sticks. It's a multitasking balm to create a warm bronzing effect on the face, which is what I need right now. The way I like to apply this is with the brush, and I just like to go directly on the product. This just gives you the perfect color, not too orangey, like it's just right in between, but then it's not too neutral. That was so effortless. Effortless is my word today. This is what I love about Shop My Stash videos. Sometimes it's like it makes you use the products. I'm constantly using the same makeup products over and over again, and then I get bored. Why is my makeup not looking as I want it to look? It's because you haven't shopped your stash. So shop your stash and you're gonna see the amazing products that you discover. Go in and contour my nose also. This is such a good contouring brush. This one is from BH. This is the number 5 brush. I found a good use for this brush. A little bit down here. I don't know what that does. Let's go in with blush, my favorite part. This is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint. This one's in the shade Chill, which is the perfect one for the Cherry Girl vibe. Like, look at this. I will go in with my brush and I like to coat that. These are wildly staining. So prepare yourself to have this on all day and apply. Tell me that is not the most pretty Cherry Girl color right now. And let's do the other side. What I love about these is they build beautifully and it just feels very nice and cooling. Just like the perfect blush stain. I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I really want this Cherry Girl to come out. I don't know where the girl is gonna come out, but I don't know what you're gonna do. We're gonna be cherrying it up, okay? Look at that. Oh, so pretty. That's what I love about these is that you can't really go overboard with them because, you know, there's like the very pigmented ones that you can like go way too overboard, but this is like perfect and it lays gorgeously on the skin. Very, very nice skin-like finish. To set my face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. This was in the shade Light. I like to just kind of add it at the bottom in my T-zone area. Very, very light. I don't like to go in with too much pressure on my hand. It's not like over drying cakiness, like it's just like a tiny bit of a glow, like the glow that we need, just tiny. So next I'm gonna go in with the powder bronzer. This is the Milani Silky Matte Suntan de Soleil bronzer. I haven't used this in so long. This was all the rave back in the day. It's supposed to be a very nice silky matte formula. That just gave me the tan that I needed. It's So pretty. It's such a pretty bronzer. And it blended so nice into the skin, like super silky, just like the name is. We're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Look how stunning this is for the spring and summer. Tell me that's not gorgeous. We're gonna go in with these colors here. Zoom you in, of course. Come closer. You gotta experience this. This is a whole package type of thing. Ooh, child, that crease is creasing. Oh man, look at this. When you get old, you gotta start setting your creasing areas. That's what happens. Okay. It's like a beautiful, light, dusty rose. Ooh. That is gorge. Such a pretty, I forgot how nice the formula is. Such a stunning formula, guys. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. We're gonna go to the outer corners with a little bit more of a precise brush. This one's a Morphe M433, the good classic one. Stamp that on the outer corner. Kind of want to stamp this here in the middle too, because I want to create a halo eye. Right here in the outer corners, go right in the middle. Dying to go into this red here. I've never touched this red, so let's get into that. Like total cherry girl clown vibes right now. I'm in for the summer. That's it. Like I am in for the summer right now. I'm gonna tone this down a little bit. I'm gonna make it more brown because this is giving me beetle right now. Let's go in with this shade here. I'm just gonna apply it right over top of that. That is still looking red. Okay, we need to like fix this ASAP. We're gonna go in with that shade right around the edges. We're gonna go into this shade and I wanna bring that to the outer like edge. I wanna like give a sunset vibe to this whole thing right here. Like it's a sunset moment and that's it. I called it, okay? So we're gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Empowered. And it's a beautiful burgundy color. We're just gonna add that right in the middle. I am gonna lighten that up though. We're gonna go in with this shade here. Just wanna lighten it up just a tad bit. I love to use just my fingers because it's just the best payoff. How pretty that is. It's just lightening it up a little bit more and it's just like creating this like own color thing. That is everything right now. I'm gonna go in and just kind of like clean it up a little bit. It's very pretty. I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and we're just gonna go into this shade here. I'm gonna bring that shade underneath the lash line. Just gonna blend this a little bit like halfway. Add this color here, this sunset color. I'm just gonna mix this a little bit. Like I'm feeling very sunsetty today. I'm just gonna go in with the KVD Beauty tattoo liner. So I'm just gonna do a quick half wing. And something about the tattoo liner that I just love. It's so easy to use. Ooh, ooh, the cat eye right there. Okay. So we're gonna go in with this color here called Heated from Tarte. Wow. Like the prettiest blush ever. Gonna bring that blush a little bit up higher. For highlight, let's use something that I haven't used in a very long time. This is from Physicians Formula. This is their Warm Nude palette. It's a beautiful highlight palette. This is like back in the day rave. Go in with this color here. Your skin, the most gorgeous glow. It's like a subtle, it's not subtle, but it's not like too blinding either, which is what I love about it. And this one is the KVD tattoo liner, but the waterline version. And line my waterline. What a difference the eyeliner makes. We're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Juicy Lip Liner. It's a beautiful watermelon pink. Gonna blend in those outer edges a little bit so it can give you that ombre effect. Finally, we're gonna go in with the Cream and Dream High Pigment Lip Gloss from Absolute New York. Oh, this is exactly what I was looking for. It's like the most buttery formula. We're gonna go in to setting spray and finally just mascara. I don't like to do the mascara before setting spray because I just feel like it gets everywhere. It smells so good. It smells so clean. I do like to go in with a beauty blender just to set everything. The makeup is literally on point right now. This looks so good right now. Can't help it. We're gonna go in with this mascara. I'm gonna link it down below because I honestly don't know the name of this mascara. Looks like a nice wand here. Let's try it out. This is the first time I opened this mascara. It's doing what it has to. Is it doing any miracles? I don't know. I don't hate it. Okay, with the second coat, it's lifting the lashes. It's actually doing something. That is the completed Shop My Stash makeup look. I went for a cherry girl vibe today and I got what I wanted. What do you guys think? I am obsessed with everything in my face today. I can't believe how important it is to go into your stash. Thank you again so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you made it this far. Just do it. Why not? And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.